Hello friend, welcome back to MiniCooper Garage. In this very short video I would love to show you how to remove the hubcaps from the wheels without damaging or scratching anything. Let's say you need to remove one of the wheels or all of them, and first thing which you will see, basically the hubcap, that center hubcap, is blocking access to the bolt. If we will go on the other side, I already removed two of them, so you can see here how it looks without the hubcap or the center cap. You can see those four bolts. They are, by the way, 17mm socket. And somebody might say, oh, what's the big deal, bro? Why you are filming this? Just get a screwdriver or any kind of prying thing and just pry them off, right? Well, if it was so easy, I will be not filming it. If you will use the screwdriver or any prying thing and you will start putting it there in that little space, I guarantee you, you will damage the paint on the rim and introduce the rust and oxidation in the future, and we want to avoid that. Instead, I highly recommend you to use any of these hooks. This is a very small one, it will work, and even this one, which is kind of beefy and big, it will also make the job. And basically what you are trying to do is introduce it inside of these holes, right? Even the tiny one, which you can see right here, right, nicely goes inside, and it gives me perfectly chance to pull that center cap or hubcap off without damaging anything. And that's how it should be done, and that gives you that perfect access to those four lug nuts, right, which are holding the wheel. As I said before, it's a 17mm socket, and you can nicely continue in the job which you want it perform. And I will be starting a lot of services on this 2006 Mini Cooper. So please, my friend, make sure you are subscribed, because I have ton of video coming your way on this channel very soon. Thank you for watching today and have a wonderful day.